In the given question, we are going to prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Let's start with the tan theta by 1 minus cot theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Taking LCM in the denominator, we get sin theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. The next step, it becomes sin theta into sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So it becomes sin square theta divided by, we can write the denominator by taking a negative one common from the bracket. So it becomes minus cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Next, we are going to take cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. We are going to do the same process here. We are going to write cot theta as cos theta by sin theta, and 1 minus tan theta is written as 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Taking LCM, we get so cot theta by 1 minus tan theta becomes cos theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So it becomes cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So our LHS is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta, which is equal to sin square theta by minus cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Let us take the 1 by cos theta minus sin theta common. So it becomes cos square theta by sin theta minus sin square theta by cos theta. Here we are going to take the LCM. So it becomes cos cube theta minus sin cube theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta sin theta. We have a formula: a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. We are going to apply that formula in the numerator. So our LHS become cos theta minus sin theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos theta sin theta. The denominator is cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta sin theta. 1 cos theta sin theta from the numerator and denominator get cancels, and we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta as 1. So it becomes 1 plus cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Let us, the next step is we can write it as 1 by cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So it becomes sec theta cosec theta plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta, which is the RHS. Hence we have proved it. Thank you.